If you do what I show you in this video, I can almost guarantee you that you're going to end this year $10,000 richer than you are right now. And I'm not even kidding. It's a very simple thing, and I don't plan to waste too much time in this video. I'm just going to show you what you need to do to get started. So I will explain what the business model is quickly, and those who are smart enough can grab it and use this opportunity for themselves. It's something called offering services on the internet. So if you know how to run ads, you know how to do copywriting, you know how to do email marketing, then this is for you, or any other service out there, maybe website design or anything like graphic design, whatever, right? All you're simply doing is you're getting people on the internet who are ready to pay the amounts that you're charging, and you're charging them a particular amount to do work with them. So it's the alternative of you working in a 9-to-5, you working in an office and getting paid. But in this instance, you're working with multiple people. Now, the main target audience for a service like this on the internet is small business owners. And look, you're not looking to do too much. You're only looking to get anywhere from 5 to 10 clients. That is it. That's what I do, and that's what I teach people how to do. It's literally that simple. Now, when it comes to getting clients, let's say you're charging anywhere from $1,500 to $2,000 per month. That's about minimum wage in Ontario, where I am. So minimum wage comes out to about $2,000 per month, right? Then you're charging this to about 5 to 10 businesses, which means you're making anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 per month. Like I said, you're working within that limited number. You're not trying to sign 100 clients or 200 clients. No, it's so simple because we're looking at just a few number of people, right? So how do we go about this? When it comes to getting clients, there are mainly three ways. There are majorly three avenues for getting clients. First of all, there is content. So you putting out content on your social media or YouTube, just like I'm doing right now. The second is you running ads. And then the third is you sending out messages to people, which many people know as cold outreach. So sending out cold DMs, sending out cold emails, doing cold calls, all that kind of stuff, right? And then if you want to throw in a fourth one, there is referrals. So maybe somebody that you know referred you to this person, and then you ended up working with that person. So personally, and I said personally, my opinion, when it comes to sending out cold emails, cold DMs, I don't like to do that, right? Because it comes across as spammy. I don't like to send out those messages myself, and I really don't like to receive them myself. Like, I'm always deleting them because I feel there's a better approach. And I know I'm not the only one. I know there's many business owners who think just like me, who don't appreciate receiving all those cold DMs. But you know what they like? They like when they are the ones reaching out to you. So when you put out something and they feel like they are the ones reaching out to you. And that's literally the system that I teach, and that's what I use to get clients. So what exactly do we have live here on the screen? If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you this funnel, by the way. So I'm going to give you this entire funnel that you can simply import into your Systeme.io account and start using it to get clients. What I do is I create a page like this, and I put a simple headline at the top with what I can do. I just make some ad copy, some copywriting that's really good, and then I create a funnel like this. So what happens is I send people to this funnel. They put in their first name, their email address, and their phone number, and then they submit. And then they watch a training that I've created where I talk about the products that I have to offer, the service that I have to sell, and then I ask them to get on a call with me, or I just give them a buy button for them to make a decision to make payments. That is literally it. So going back to what I said at the beginning, if you do want to make a lot of money before the end of this year, at least at the bare minimum, $10,000 guaranteed. If you do want to do that, if you want to make that possible for yourself, there's one number that you need to focus on, and that is getting as many people as possible to opt into this list, to fill in their information here. Now, when I say as many people, I don't mean random ass people. I mean people who are interested, the kind of people that you want to work with. For me personally, it's business owners. So I find a way to get business owners, and I get them to put in their details here, their name, their email address, and their phone number. I send them the training, and then I follow up with them with their email and phone number, because now I have those details. That is literally it. That is the only number that you need to focus on, because the funnel, I'm going to give it to you. You can go in, change up the headline, change anything that you want to change on the page. But the main thing is what? this funnel. I'm going to give you the funnel. You're going to get the funnel. The other thing that you just need to focus on is getting emails. You just need to focus on getting emails and their phone numbers and getting them to opt in. So how do you do this? My preferred way for getting people to opt into this funnel, which works a lot for me and which I've been doing for the past 6 to 7 years, is by running ads, content and ads. Those are the two ones that I will recommend. I don't recommend doing any type of cold email. Forget all these people sending messages or telling you to send out messages. Those things are going to leave you drained. They're going to exhaust you. All you need to focus on doing is running ads. Just run ads and get people that are interested in whatever you want to talk about to fill in this form. Or you start creating content around the kind of things or around the kind of like the people that you want to opt in. So let's say you sell social media marketing. All you do is you come into this funnel, and I'll show you how to edit it real quick, right? So like I said, I'm going to give you this funnel. The link is going to be down, but all you do is you come here and then you just change this. So if you do like social media marketing, you just say how I help small businesses like yours make more money by managing their social media posts. So you change it from simply writing emails that sell to managing their social media presence. If you help let's say roofers, or you help dentists, you just change this to how I help dentists make more money by managing their social media presence. If you help whoever you help, beauty people, anybody that you help, you simply just change the headline. Then you can change any of this if you want. I would leave it the same way it is, but that's literally what you do. You just come in here and you change the headline to whatever you're selling. If you don't know copywriting, you can learn basic copywriting skills, and you change this, and then you just get them to opt into this funnel. Then this is what the thank you page looks like. So the thank you page is already created there for you. It says thank you for registering. They get an email once they opt in, and then you put in your business video here, right? I removed my video so you don't copy my video, but you put in your video here, and then you talk about the products that you have to sell. That's literally it. And then you ask them to book a call. That's it. So the only number, like I said, that you need to focus on is getting people to what? To opt into the funnel. You get people to opt into the funnel, and that's literally all you have to focus on doing. Once they get into the funnel, now you have their emails. You can send them email broadcasts anytime that you like. You can use their phone number for SMS marketing. You can do anything that you like with it. I'm going to say, like I said at the beginning, you don't need a lot of people to make this profitable. You only need about 5 to 10 businesses. So let us work the maths out. Let's say you're spending about, because I know this works because I'm currently running ads for several clients, and these are the numbers that we're seeing right now. So you can spend about $500 to run ads to this list, right? Almost $400 to $500. And if you spend $400 to $500, you're going to get anywhere from 200 to 300 people opting in to this funnel, right? You're going to get anywhere from 200 to 300 people opting into this funnel. Now, let's say you only get a 10% conversion. 10% of 200 comes out to 20. And let's say for the sake of simplicity, you decide to just go with a $1,000 package, right? You're only charging $1,000 for you to help them maybe even create something like this. Let's say you want to help them just create a system like this. You want to help them collect emails. You want to help them send their emails. You want to help them run their ads. And you just charge $1,000, right? Or $1,000, $1,500. So 20 times 1,000 is 20,000. That's literally it. And then once you get here, you can either do one of two things. You can focus on just managing the clients that you have, or you can focus on getting more clients. I'm not comfortable getting more clients. I'm very comfortable with just 10, 15 at the most, right? I don't want to get too many people working with me, right? But I feel like that's actually enough money, or like that's good enough money, right? When you get to that stage, then you can start doing other things. But if you focus on getting up to 10, and you know that you're at 10, then you're good. I mean, $20,000 is going to change a lot of people's lives. I know that, right? $20,000 right now, if you had an additional $20,000, like you're going to be living completely differently, right? So you get that money and then you deliver whatever service that you signed them up for. Now, if you don't know any of these services, if you don't know how to do either copywriting or email marketing or paid ads, and I teach that, and I have a group of instructors that also teach that as well. So if you'd like to learn how to do that for yourself, or if you just want to learn how to be very good at it in the way that you'll be able to give results, then you can send me a message or you can book a call with me below or sign up for my training, anyone that you prefer. But this is simply the method that you're going to use. And then once you get this client, you just focus on delivering the work for them, right? And then you make sure that you deliver good work for them and they're going to stay on, right? So that is literally how the system works. It's literally it. If you have any questions, like I said, I don't want to make this video so long. I just wanted to explain exactly how the model works. If you want this funnel, like I'm going to give you completely for free, you don't have to pay anything to me. Just find the link to the funnel below. Before you go, I just want to say one more thing. If you focus on getting as many as 2,000 people into this funnel, there is hardly any chance that you're not going to make money. Like, the chances decrease the more you get people to opt into your funnel, right? So currently, if I show you my email list right now, I have about 14,000 people on this list. I have about 14,000 people on this list. Now, imagine just getting 10 people out of 14,000. It's literally like, it's a complete no-brainer. It's a complete no-brainer trying to get 10 people out of 14,000 people, right? But many people out there try to make it more complex than it is, telling you about different stuff that you need to do, when it simply comes down to just focusing on getting more emails, getting more people into the funnel, and then you get a bunch of them to work with you on the service that you have to sell. So that's the model right there. If you have any questions or you want something more in depth, just let me know. But I feel like if you're smart enough and you know what's up, you can take this update and make something very, very good for yourself out of it. So if you're going to do this, let me know how it works out for you. And if you have any questions, like always, just ask in the comments and I'll give you solutions to the best of my knowledge. Okay? Take care. I'll see you in the next one.